Hello everyone, today I am taking you on a peaceful journey through a beautiful nursery, a place where nature and spirituality come together. At first glance, a nursery may seem like a collection of plants and flowers, but it is much more than that. It is a space that reminds us of patience, growth, balance, and the beauty of life. As we walk through this green sanctuary, let's explore how nature can nourish our minds and bring inner peace. As I step into the nursery, I am welcomed by fresh air, vibrant greenery, and the soothing sounds of nature. Instantly, I feel a sense of calm. The busy world outside begins to fade away, replaced by the gentle rhythm of nature. This peaceful atmosphere reminds me that sometimes slowing down is the first step toward finding inner peace. Each plant here is unique. Some are tall and strong, while others are small and delicate. Yet every one of them grows in its own time. This teaches us an important spiritual lesson. We should never compare our journey with others, just like plants, as we all have our own pace of growth, and every stage of life has its own purpose. The colorful flowers around me reminds me that beauty comes in many forms. They bloom quietly without seeking attention, simply fulfilling their purpose. This inspires us to live with kindness, humility, and gratitude, knowing that our true value comes from who we are, not from seeking recognition. A nursery thrives because of love, care, care, water, sunlight, and patience. In the same way, our minds and souls need care through positive thoughts, gratitude, compassion, and self reflection. Spiritual growth does not happen overnight, it grows little by little, just like every plant around us. Walking through this nursery has reminded me that nature is one of life's greatest teachers. It teaches patience, resilience, hope, and renewal. Every leaf, every flower, and every tree carries a silent message. Growth is a magic journey, and peace begins within. As my visit comes to an end, I leave with more than beautiful memories. I leave with a renewed appreciation for nature and its ability to calm the mind and uplift the soul. May we all take time to connect with the natural world, because in caring for nature, we also nurture ourselves. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, sometimes the great lessons in life are found in quiet beauty of nature. Thank you guys. This is my passion, and I am planting trees. I'm working for environment since 2018, and I have planted more than 12,000 trees, and most of them, by the grace of God, all healthy and happy, providing shade, producing oxygen, supporting wildlife, and Alhamdulillah, This is my mission to spread greenery, to spread blooms, to spread flowers. Thank you very much. I need your support, guys. Please keep support. I need your support. So, guys, thank you very much for my visit. It's time to really, really happy that I want to thank to everyone. So, guys, I have a plan uh, to start a new mission for 10,000 trees in coming 6 months, and I will start after in this monsoon, and it will be very, very beneficial for our city, for our country, for this planet. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate your great support. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Love you guys as you are providing great support from the every corner of my of world, and I'm really thankful to all of you from every corner of my heart. Love you guys. I'm really, really thankful to all of you. You can watch beautiful flowers, beautiful leaves. I hope you will enjoy my my video, and I'm really, really thankful to all of you. That's a message of green message for all of you, and I hope one day we will we will find this planet with get with green revolution. Yes, guys, we can revolution on green. Yes, guys, I really appreciate your support, guys. I have now 13,666 subscribers on my channel, and I hope you also subscribe my channel, and inshallah I will try to make maximum good videos for you. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Love you guys, everyone. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Your support will be motivate me to create create such beautiful videos for you, and I hope this green journey will be continue after some time.